So we're now here in Queenstown. Sakto lang yung lamig, guys. Grabe, ang ganda ng background. Inside the airport, merong Paper Plus store. Doon kayo makakabili ng B-card. Yung B-card yung gagamitin nyo for bus. Hey, Timster! So we're now here in Queenstown. And nakabili na din tayo ng bus card. Kung tawagin nila. So hahanapin lang namin yung bus stop. Pero ito lang ata sa tawid. So hanapin lang natin yung bus stop. Tapos sakay tayo ng bus papunta sa hotel. Iwan natin itong mga gamit. Tapos maggagala na tayo. Pupunta tayong araw. Grabe guys, super ganda dito. Ayan. Kita nyo ba yung background, diba? Ganda. So ayan. Dito na tayo sa bus stop. Tapos yeah. So guys, if book din kayo sa Capcorn, dalawa yung Capcorn dito. So maling Capcorn yung napuntahan natin. Pero mukhang same management naman kasi nakita din nila yung booking ko dito. So yeah. Ganda ng view guys, sayang maraming roadworks. So guys, nakarating na kami dito sa hotel namin, dito sa Capcorn. And sobrang bait nila dito. Iniwan muna namin yung luggage namin kasi 2 o'clock pa yung check-in. So ngayon, pupunta muna tayo sa Ferg Burger. Nag-order na ako, tumawag na tayo para pagdating natin doon, naka-ready na. So ayan, tara, lakad na tayo. Let's go! So ayan guys, from our hotel, yan, lalakarin lang. Tapos yun yung wala tandaan. Nakapatawa siya. Guys, magkakatabi yung Ferg Gelato, Ferg Bakery, Ferg Burger, tsaka Ferg Bar. Ayan, masarap din yung Ferg Bakery, in fairness. Masarap yung donut nila dyan. Actually, na-enjoy ko din yung ibang tinapay nila. Pero ito yung pinuntahan natin, Ferg Burger. So, I got the goods, Ferg Burger. Sobrang bilis lang kasi tumawag na kami. Hanap lang kami ng coffee shop. Naglalakad kami nito papunta sa Patagonia. Masarap kasi yung hot chocolate nila doon. Tapos gusto ni Dad mag-coffee. And gusto din namin itry yung mga desserts nila. So this is inside Patagonia. And guys, nagustuhan talaga namin yung hot chocolate nila, yung ice cream nila, yung desserts nila. So, masarap. Ako na-enjoy ko yung Patagonia. Actually, nakatatlong balik kami dito. Guys, tignan nyo naman. Ang sasarap niyan. Yummy. Tsaka ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa nila. Alam mo yung art talaga siya. And in fairness, masarap. Ito, akyatin naman natin yung second floor nila. Kasi maganda dito yung view. Ayan, no? Diyan ka uupo. Tapos kita mo yung view ng Queenstown. Tapos, ang ganda din dito sa second floor kasi open kitchen. Kita mo yung paggawa ng mga desserts nila dito, ng mga chocolates. So at my back, ito yung open kitchen nila dito sa Patagonia. And grabe, ang bango-bango dito guys. Alam mo yung amoy chocolate, amoy coffee. Yeah. So guys, we're about to try the famous Ferg Burger. Okay guys. So we're inside the bus. We're on our way to Arrow Town. So from CBD, sumakay kami ng bus. $2 yung bayad niya per person. And diretso na pa ng Arrow Town. So, ginamit namin yung B-card na nabili sa airport kanina. Tapos, pinaloadan lang namin yun. And then, $2 yung pamasahe papuntang Arrow Town. Tinawag tong Arrow Town dahil laging mataas ang sikat ng araw dito. Char! So we're now here in Arrow Town. Ganda dito. Old town yung vibe. Yung Arrow Town, para siyang isang malaking set ng pelikula. Para kang nasa isang cowboy film, ganun. Ganun yung vibe niya. And it's very nice, very small lang talaga siya. Tapos, yeah, cute yung area. So, if pupunta kayo ng Queenstown, must visit din talaga yung Arrow Town. And super malapit lang siya sa Queenstown. Ayan, may Patagonia din dyan sa Arrow Town. Actually, hindi ko na ma-remember kung saan kami kumain dito. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-video nun, guys. Nalobat na yung phone ko. Pero, ayun, maliit lang yung Arrow Town. Madali siyang explore. Lakad-lakad lang kayo, pasyal-pasyal. Tapos may bus na naman pabalik ng Queenstown. So, yun, $2 lang din yung pamasahe pabalik. From Arrow Town, nakabalik na kami sa hotel. Nagpahinga, tapos lumabas kami for dinner. Dumaan din kami ng Cookie Time, yung sikat na cookie shop sa Queenstown. Tapos after na nagpahinga na din kami. So for our second day, we went to Skyline Queenstown. Eto guys, hapon na to. Nung morning, nag-ikot yung parents ko, pati si Tita Malu. Nag-ikot sila sa town. Nag-almusal lang sila doon, tapos nag-lunch. And then, yeah, nung mga, I think 3 o'clock, umalis na kami ng hotel para pumunta dito sa Skyline Queenstown. Ang ganda mag-picture dito.
Break.
So we're about to ride our second super fun. Masaya lang may construction, pero masaya mo.
ano, naglo-lodge. Oh, there they are.
Like slow, like slowly.
Palamig na ng palamig ng mga time na to. So, sobrang ginaw na talaga niya, guys. And I think mga ano na yan, mga 2 degrees na or maybe negative na. How's your Ludes experience?
Great.
Ikaw?
Awesome.
So guys, done na kami mag-luge and we're on our way down. And pababa na tayo. This is day 3 and we're on our way to Milford Sound. Teamsters, so we're now here in Taanaw. So Teamsters, we're here and I don't know. So we're on our way to Milford Sound and we're quick stopover. Ayan yung background, picture lang kami. So, ganda niya. Let's go! Let's go Milford Sound!
Valley. Just not this type of grass yet. We've had the New Zealand native tussocks, of which you see every now and then. You'll see the tufty ones out here behind these people. By the European grasses that have gotten in here in the form of seeds in the hooves of sheep and cattle.
So we're now here in Mirror Lake. Guys, sobrang ganda dito sa Mirror Lake. Pag pupunta kayo ng Milford Sound, kasama na siya sa mga stopover nung bus. Talagang dinadaan dito para makita yung beauty ng Mirror Lake. And kung may jowa kayo, pwede kayo mag-propose dito sa Mirror Lake sa Queenstown. Ganda niya, guys. So, huwag niyo lang iuhulog yung singseng. Guys, ang ganda dito. Ang tawag dito, Mirror Lake.
Okay lang yung sombrero.
He'll probably run along the river. He's an adult one. We'll talk a bit more about them in a minute. Avalanches over probably the last 5,000 or 6,000 years. Only maybe a ton or a half a ton of rock at a time. When the last ice age happened, of course, this was full of ice. In fact, it was like this whole of Fjordland had a big chunk of ice cream blocked on top.
Real NZ yung sinakyan namin. Sila rin yung sumundo sa amin sa hotel. I think 6:55 yung pick-up time. Tapos, iikot nila kayo. And then, Real NZ din yung sasakyan na cruise later. Hindi na kami nag-avail nung food na option, pero nagbaon lang din kami. Yung stopover sa Teanaw, may Foursquare doon kami bumili ng pagkain. We are now here in Milford Sound. We're about to ride our ferry. So, yeah, mag-cruise tayo. We're about to ride our
seasonal lunch pass to claim your picnic lunch. Now we just saw the pride of Melbourne check out this waterfall just in here. We're going to do the same. This is
Yes, right. Not sure if you guys can see. It's
also viewable sometimes behind that misty spray. Some of them will.
Ito, pabalik na kami ng Queenstown. Ito, from Milford Sound. And ang ganda nung sky. This is our 4th day in Queenstown. Magla-lunch muna kami sa Korean restaurant sa town. So, naglalakad-lakad na kami. Today din yung flight namin pauwi ng Auckland. So, we're here in town. We're just about to have our brunch. We're here in a Korean restaurant. Yeah. Hey Temster! So today is our last day here in Queenstown. We just finished eating at a Korean restaurant and we also bought some Ferg burgers o pasalubong and some donuts from the Ferg bakery. So yeah. And that's it for this quick Queenstown vlog. Super short vacation lang with my family while they're here. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye! Ito, nag-aabang na kami ng bus papuntang airport. Yung bus stop malapit lang din siya sa Copthorne Hotel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I hope na makapunta din kayo sa Queenstown with your loved ones. See you on my next video. Bye!